Now, apparently, I've been having like some major microphone issues, so I don't have a microphone plugged in right now, but I'm gonna do that later. Shout out to everybody who tapped into the live the other day, man. It was so good to be back, man, to see some of y'all. So I just want to tell y'all thank you, man. Give you a little personal, little salute, like bam, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, today's video is gonna be cleaning the Gamma 11s. Now, y'all have heard me talk about I bowl in Gamma 11s, and I'm gonna talk about that a little bit more. So stand by, let me go get my bowling shoes out of my bowling bag, and then I'll be right back. All right, now hopefully the mic is okay. Man, I worked so hard in my last video and the audio sounded like crap. My bad on that, so hopefully it's better. Man, I might have to switch it out. But I went ahead and grabbed my Gamma 11s. Now I told y'all I bowl in these. Now, for full context, I used to bowl in Jordan 1s. And man, the traction on these Jordan 1s are so good. I would stop like on a dime and like no lie, started hurting my hip and I'd be bowling. Then I had to have my boy crack my back and all pause. But all of that stuff, you know what I mean? So I decided to switch over to the Gamma 11s. It actually has less traction and stopping power than these. And I ain't gonna lie, it's been helping me out a lot. Now, I still got a long way to go in my game, but if y'all just be patient, man, just check out a couple of clips. You always hear me talking about bowling. I bowl. Well, here goes a couple of clips of me throwing a few shots, and we'll be back to clean these up. Let's get it. All right, I'm back. So let's go ahead and get some things in order. Brush, cuticle pusher. There. Right. But you see some crease in there. Obviously, I use these for bowling. It's not a big deal. I'm just gonna clean them up. They're not terribly dirty. However, you know, I do want to get any types of rocks and pebbles. I see a rock right there. I want to get that out from the bottom. Looks like there may be some gum or whatever. And this is stuff that I've picked up on a bowling lane because I do not wear these shoes outside. This is not an outside shoe, you know, that I walk around in the street. This is only for the bowling lane. Cleaning. We're gonna use this tool, this cuticle pusher. This is what we're gonna use for the outsole. This is gonna be a fairly easy clean. Soft bristle brush. Thanks for tapping in. Make sure you hit that like button. I appreciate y'all. And as usual, I will catch y'all on the next one. We out.